Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to do a quick video on a feature that we've been using recently. It's on LinkedIn and it's called Website Demographics. I don't know if it's got a technical title, but that's the title that we use. So essentially what it is you install a piece of code on your website, and then that enables you on the LinkedIn Ad Manager to go in and see a really detailed insight into who's been viewing your website. So there's all sorts of interesting analytics that you can look at, which can really make you help you make informed decisions on your content marketing, etc. So what I want to do is go in first of all, I want to go in and show you what it's all about, and then I want to show you how to install it yourself. So let's jump into the computer and I'll show you how it's done. So first, let's go to LinkedIn, just the normal LinkedIn, and then in the top right hand corner where it says work, just click here and then click advertise, and then it'll open up your campaign manager. And then what I'll do is I'll just quickly show you Fly High Media, and I'll show you some of our website demographics. So I won't show you the company names that have been viewing our website because that's private, but what I can do is show you the job. I can show you some of the information. So some of the information, like the job function. So a lot of business development managers have been viewing our website, a lot of people in marketing, in the education sector, engineering sector, media communications. So all these different types of industries have been viewing our website. So this is really valuable to see so that we can create content around it. So if there's, for example, more say for example, if there's more engineering firms starting to look at our website, then we may want to create some content. So like how you can create an SEO strategy for an engineering firm in 2020, something like that. So it's good to see the data on here, and it's good to monitor it over time as well. So this is one option. So job function, and then you can see job title. So what kind of people are viewing your website, so what kind of seniority. Again, this is good to help you decide what kind of content to write to. So you ideally want to know your target audience, and this is a good way to kind of understand it in detail. So yeah, these are some of the metrics that you can look at. So some of the demographics. Let's have a look in here. Company. I just said that I wasn't going to show you that, so I'll blur that out. Company, industry, marketing, advertising. So it looks like there's been a few other advertising firms viewing our website, which is fine. We're happy to share content all day long. But then it's interesting to see other industries that are viewing the website as well, which is interesting because it could potentially be potential clients. So again, like in the future, we may start to write content around apparel and fashion, health and wellness, that kind of thing. So if we're looking to attract that kind of client in the future, then we can look back. Company, industry, job seniority, owner, vice president, senior, entry, director, manager, trainer, partner. Then company size, 2 to 10 employees, 11 to 50. So this is roughly the kind of company sizes that you're dealing with regularly. So again, you can use this to inform your content decisions. Location. There we go. Country and region. So that's good that it's majority in the United Kingdom because that's where our target audience is. So we want to mainly deal with companies in the UK. And then county, again, it's not too it's not too much of a big deal for us. We're based in Cheshire, so it is a good point that we are getting a lot of page views from there as well. So what I'll do now is go through and show you how you can set this up for yourself. So what I'll do is go out of this account, and then if I load up a new ad account, so here, and if we want to set up website demographics, so just come up here and click website demographics, and then you need to set up your insight tag. Insight tag. So it's just similar to installing the Facebook pixel. So you may do this yourself, you may send it to a developer to do, but all the options are here. So I just want to go through and show you how you can do it manually, because some of you may want to do it manually. So this needs to go into the header tag of your website. So there's multiple ways of doing this. So if you're on a custom website, you just need to go into the custom coding. But on WordPress, there's a super easy way to do it. So if you just copy the code here and then take it here. So there's a plugin that I like to use, that I've used for a long time, called Insert Headers and Footers. So you just type that in on the plugin store on WordPress, and then install it, etc. And then all you need to do is paste the code up here, and then click save, and then click I'm done. And then what it'll do is, over time, it'll start to populate. So this might take a while. So not everyone who visits your website may not be logged into LinkedIn in the same account. So it's to do with the cookies in your browser. So it may take a while for all the information to come into LinkedIn, but eventually it will, and eventually it'll help you out in the long term. So make sure you get this tag installed on your website, and I'm sure it'll be a big help to you. If you've liked this video, then make sure you press subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.